Alright, let's fucking do this. Welcome back, game designers. Or was it game developers? And boppers. And boppers too. Doug teaches Ue4 mini 40k tutorials, yes. Glorious welcome back, people. Glad that fucking hiatus is up and done with. Tired of my channel having to suffer because of that. So what are we gonna do? Essentially, okay, so you know how we can walk and shit? We're gonna make it so that way this dude can actually sprint and stuff like that. So let's get started with doing that. First we need to actually switch between blend spaces. So we have here, like I have an aiming blend space. So when we're iron sight aiming, then we're going to be doing that. And if we're sprinting, we're going to be doing that. So let's have it, so I think it's aim. We have aiming idle. And idle can go here. Horizontal speed is -600 to 600. Maximum speed, vertical speed is -600 to 600. Why -600 to 600? The reason being is because -600 to 600, that's the defaults for Unreal movement characters. But it doesn't look like I have any. Do I at least have, like, sprint? Like, run? Look at the run forward animation. Okay. Do you not have all the crouch? Okay, we can do crouch. At the very least, we can do that. Crouch, walk forward, yeah. Okay, so we're going to be doing that. So we're just going to switch between crouching and sprint. Because, like I thought, I don't have the sprinting animations. Fuck. Yeah. It's not the end of the world. Basically, they're going to have to copy this exact same formula over and over and over again anyway. So we're just going to be switching between a crouching state and our normal active run cycle. Pretty much. To do that, let's right-click, animations. Come on, you fucker. Anim Blueprint. No, not Anim Blueprint. What am I talking about? Shit. Animation, blend space, excuse me. And I think should be the dank angel. I'm just gonna call this Space Marine Crouch Blend Space. Okay, so, what? Is that the Space Marine? Should be. Are you sure? Nope. Sorry, it's been a while, so it's marine body I gotta find. Okay. While I'm doing this, let's make a fun announcement. Essentially, well, for those who don't know, I have been doing SM Crouch Blend Space. Let's see, -600, -600. Nope. Oh no, -300, 300. -300? Yeah, because when you're crouched, you're moving at half movement speed. Oh, yeah. And this will be horizontal speed. And this will be vertical speed. Okay. So you were saying? Oh, right. So I was going to tell everybody that you see, I have been learning Unreal Engine 5. That's no secret. I will be starting to come out with Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, a free version and then the paid ones. Can you do Unreal Engine 5? They recommend you can only prototype right now. You can't really make anything definitive. You can only do it, like, they won't have production-ready builds until, like, 2022. And even then, it's not clear as to when... Ow, then why have them? Why do the... You're talking about, like, wait. That's crouching forward. Hold on, I gotta move this. Yeah, crouching forward. Where's crouching backward? Crouching backward has to go here. Right. And crouching... Shouldn't you... Wait, won't they be moving? Oh, right. I gotta, like, take care of that, too. Let me go to crouching back. Let's double-click that. Let's make sure enable root motion is set. And on reference pose, add from first frame. Then I gotta do the same with left and right as well as moving forward. So let's go to move forward. Enable root motion, first frame. Move left. Enable root motion, first frame. Move right. Enable root motion, first frame. So when will you actually fucking well, I won't. The first Unreal Engine 5 videos will be coming out. I'll say, like, just to be on the safe side, I want to say like around early to mid-December, because I'm still training myself in Ue4. And although while I am working on my own video games again, thank God, I still have. This is his right. So okay, where is right? Right goes here. That goes here and here. Okay, whatever. Anyway, you were saying? Because while I'm working on my own games again, thank God, they still recommend that you make games in Ue4, which is why I'm continuing on the multiplayer shooter. Because, like, again, they say early 2022 is when the first production ready build thing will actually happen. But as to when, they're still up in the air about that. So now what we need to do is fucking... Alright, we need to set the horizontal speed as well. We'll do that in another video. Okay. So right now, let's do this. We need to basically have a thing here that we need to have. We need to set. We're gonna need another state. Let's do that. Let's make a state here. We're gonna add a state. This is gonna be called crouch state. Now we need to actually make a variable here. One that responds to the crouching variable we made way back in part 1 when we were making this thing from in C++. So we're going to need to add a variable, and it'll be a way like is crouching. I think that's a good idea. I think that's a good one. And then we just link this back to here. So we need to so that way this if is crouching is true, it goes to this state. If it's false, go back to the default state. Right. So now we have to double click in here. Is crouching. We grab it, and we have to say is equal. We have to say is equal to true. Plug that in. Go back here, double click, and grab is crouching. I'll just say not, and then just plug that in. Not. Is it false? Now, so in here we need the results. Just gonna call SM crouch blend space, yes. Speed H goes into horizontal speed. Speed vertical goes into vertical speed. Wait, what speed did we have to? Yeah, we need to set horizontal speed. Okay. So how the hell do we actually get the crouching animation up and running? So we're gonna need to have a sequence. This is gonna be checking for a lot of shit. Your anim blueprint is definitely gonna be checking for a lot of shit. Oh, really? Yeah. So we're gonna plug this into then. We're gonna plug that into then 0. Essentially, a sequence checks for everything simultaneously. So what we're going to need to do is I'm gonna move this up. Okay. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna Control W duplicate. I'm gonna type in Space Marine Infantry. I'm gonna plug this into here. gonna take this. I'm gonna grab crouch. Yeah, get is crouched. I think that's what it's called. And then we set it to is crouching. Hold on. Is it? I'm gonna double check. We go 40k classes for Warzone's character. And while that's going on, I can still explain what the fuck I'm trying to say. Because I'm going to do the Souls-like and the turn-based combat in Unreal Engine 5. Unreal Engine 4 will still have the multiplayer shooter tutorial of Doom. However, they're going to be lesson plans. The lesson plans are coming back. Yeah, I'm going to have some free Unreal Engine 5 tutorials just to get your guys' feet wet. But the nitty-gritty stuff, that's going to be paid for. And I'm going to go through Patreon. Either Patreon or I might just actually make you subscribe in my on the company website, Matt Henhouse. Either way, like, there will be more information as that comes along, as I study Unreal and stuff like that. Okay, but the multiplayer shooter still gonna be free. Okay. Let me see something. I got a bull. Oh, it is crouching. Okay. Let's go here. Wait, is crouching. Oh, fuck. Is that a bad thing? Yep. Why? Because this is crouching. Oh, shit. Yeah, we gotta rename that. I'll just call this Croucher S. And get is crouching. Yeah, it's under essentials. So what is crouched? That's the Unreal version. Ow. That's like the Unreal variable. Ow. So let's compile this. Let's play. Do I have a control for crouching? I don't know, do you? I'm gonna find out. CPP. Crouches. Wait. Crouch on. So, ow, fuck, yep. So what does this mean? Nothing. Just have to, for start, just set is crouched. Set it to true. But you won't be crouched. I mean, yeah, we have to... I still have to, like, use the crouch function. I think that's the... I'm pretty sure that's the syntax for it. And if it isn't, it's not a big deal. I'll just, like... Because I still have to do the others. Let's uncrouch. That's a function. It is crouching. We said that's false. Let's save and build this bitch. So, after this, are we gonna do more? We should really move on to, I'm just gonna move on to like Space Marine powers / Chaos Space Marine powers, like how the Assault Marines can assault jump. Cool. Everything built successfully. Let's try this now. Oh yeah, we are crouching, baby. Awesome. Nice. Yep. Nice. We are crouching. So, wait, so if you have to do sprint, is there a sprinting function? Like, when you're doing iron sight aiming, do you do is there like an iron sight aiming function? No. Iron sight aiming requires another camera. and we have to activate it. So it's kind of like how we have to activate it and then deactivate it when we're not. Oh, okay. So, and sprinting, that doesn't necessarily. There's no sprinting function. You actually have to upgrade the player's movement speed and all that shit. And we better sprint on. I'll just make sure that crouching is set to false. Why do you want to set it to false while you're sprinting? Because you have to do that while you're crouching too. You don't want to crouch and sprint at the same time. Ow. Yes. Is sprinting is set to false. Oh shit. Yeah. Built. Oh fuck. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna have to be checking for a lot of this shit. But yeah, that's essentially all we're gonna be doing, and that is how you. So if you want to do a crouch, so if you want to do a crouch thing, hold on, I'll just Control B. I said Control B. So if you want to do a crouch thing, you'll need a blend space for it. And iron sight aiming needs an iron sight aiming blend space, and then from there you'd actually make I'll do a sprinting montage. I'll do a sprinting blend space for the Space Marine, as well as next week. The Assault Marine will have its Assault Jump. For the time being, now there is another update. I'm going to try to get the tutorials out on Fridays again instead of Saturdays. Don't quote me on that. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try. That said, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. And if you want iron sight aiming before the Assault Marine jump, let me know. I'd rather do Assault Marine jump because iron sight aiming, it's not fun. Just constructing a shooter character is not fun. I want to have some fun stuffs to do. But I'll adhere to the fan base. But yeah, this is what you'd have to do for a character. You'd start out with a blend space, do all of that, link it all over the place. So by the end of this, don't be surprised if you'll see every arrow pointing in every fucking direction and shit like that. That said, yeah. We're done here. Ended here, narrator. And there you have it, boppers and game developers. A glorious welcome back to Doug Teaches Ue4. Look forward to Doug Teaches Ue5. Are the Ue5 tutorials going to be lesson plans? Probably not. Probably not, actually. No. Just the nitty-gritty. The Souls-like stuff and the JRPG turn-based combat stuffs, those will be lesson plans. The tutorials, no. Okay, just wanted to clarify. Tune in next time, and see you later. Welcome back. Dude, shut up. Fuck you. Hey.